Hi, welcome to Encyclo Hub. My name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching MPS001 assignment code, and in this one we are discussing question number 1. And before starting this, if you need answer of this all the PDF, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. And if you need other code also, other courses also, and if you need any help related to any subject, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. We give a paid service all over world, and in this one we are discussing here the question number 1. Using separation of variables, solve delta u delta x equal to 2 delta u upon delta t plus u, where u x comma 0 equal to 3 e to the power minus 3x. So in this one you have to just find out this differentiation, and for if you need answer of this question, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp. So we provide all the answer in a PDF form within a day. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.